Hello everyone, welcome to the Wired Wings. Today we are building a 3 LED simulation in a Tinkercad completely from scratch. Here is the final look. The exact block code we will be using in this video. So let's do it. For the new canvas or a new page, click on the Tinkercad logo which is top left corner of this page. Then click on the create button which is top right corner of this page. After create, click on circuits. Now first things first, let's give the name for this new project. For that, click on this current name and type LED blinking and click anywhere on this screen to save the name. Let's grab the Arduino Uno by clicking on the components from right side of the page and drag it on the canvas. Think of this as a brain of our project. It holds our code and decides exactly when to send electricity to our components. Now we need breadboard. Drag it from the right side. We use this because it allows us to connect multiple components together easily. Before we add another parts, let's connect the breadboard to Arduino. This breadboard is divided into upper and lower halves. First, connect the ground from the Arduino to the negative rail of the breadboard using black color wire. Then connect the lower negative rail to the upper negative rail of the breadboard. Now connect 5V supply from Arduino to positive rail of the breadboard using red color wire and connect this also to the upper part of the breadboard's positive rail. Now both the section of the breadboards are connected. Now the time for the star of the show, which is our LED. Remember, LEDs are diodes, means electricity can only flow through them in one direction from longer positive leg called the anode to the shorter negative leg called cathode. If you want to know which one is anode and cathode, then just click on the legs of the LED. It will show you which one is anode and cathode. Never connect LED directly to power or it will burn out. We are placing resistor on the positive leg of the LED. This resistor acts as a speed limit, slowing down the current so LEDs don't overheat. Now connect the shorter leg or cathode to the negative ground rail and connect the digital pin number 13 from Arduino Uno board to our resistor. This pin number 13 referred as a built-in LED, so you don't need separate battery or a power supply on a breadboard. But we are using 3 separate LEDs to work like a traffic signal. That's why we used separate 5V supply earlier. Similarly, we can add 2 more LEDs, green and yellow, using the same setup. To change the LED color, click on the LED and you can easily change the color from pop-up menu. Connecting resistors to the LEDs. Now connecting pin number 12 from Arduino digital pins to green LED's resistor and pin 11 to the yellow one. Finally connect both the LED's shorter leg to the ground. Now our hardware is fully ready. Click that code button at the top right because it's time for the fun, making it all come alive with block coding, like a traffic signal. Let's drag the forever block from the output section, which is yellow in color. This forever block keeps the loop repeating. Now to glow a red LED which is connected to pin number 13, so we need to set pin 13 to high. So for that, drag set pin from output section which is blue in color. Now we will keep this red LED glow for 40 seconds. For that drag a wait block from the output section and make it for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, this red LED should turn off. For that, again drag set pin and keep the pin 13 to low. And now we have to glow green LED by setting pin 12 to high. We will again drag wait block and keep green LED on for the 10 seconds. After that, green LED turns off by setting pin 12 to low. At this time, ensure pin 13 also stay off. So drag another set pin block and keep 13 to low. And after green LED, it's time for the yellow one. So drag set pin again and keep pin 11 to high. Yellow LED will glow for 3 seconds. For that, again drag a wait block and set it for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, all the LEDs should glow. For that, we will drag set pin block, keep all pins low. And we'll create 2-second pause before the whole cycle restarts. And that's it. Our code is ready. Just click on the simulation button and wait for a few seconds. Here is our final result. So guys, bye for now. In the next video, I will do hands-on practical project with this LEDs blinking circuit, and for that we need to install the Arduino IDE software on our computer. I will show you exactly how to install this software in the next video. Thank you.